Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find cheap houses on Zillow using the hidden deals method. This technical strategy is designed to help you bypass the competitive, amateur quality listings and uncover deeply discounted 2026 properties that most buyers completely overlook. Let's get into it. First, switch to For Sale by Owner, FSBO listings. The first step is moving away from traditional agent-represented homes. In 2026, many of the best deals are candidly hidden in the FSBO section because these sellers often lack the massive marketing reach of a major studio brokerage. Go to the For Sale drop-down menu and uncheck everything except By Owner. This filters out thousands of standard listings, leaving you with homeowners who are trying to avoid commissions. Many FSBO sellers are motivated but haven't optimized their technical video tours or descriptions. By finding these under-marketed gems, you can often negotiate a much lower price before the general public even sees them. Next, filter for stale and stuck listings. In 2026, time is your best friend. A house that has been sitting for a long period usually has a frustrated seller who is ready for a professional studio offer. Click on the More Filter tab and scroll down to Days on Zillow. Set the filter to 90 days or more. In 2026, most homes sell within 30 days. If a home is still active after 90 days, it's likely stale. These are hidden deals because the seller is often tired of the process and more willing to accept a candid cash offer or a significant price drop to close the deal. Next, use keyword searches for distressed data. To find the cheapest houses, you need to use specific technical keywords that signal a property needs work or the seller is in a rush. In the keyword search bar, type in terms like handyman special, needs TLC, as is, or fixer-upper. You can also try searching for motivated or quick sale. The technical engine of Zillow will scan every studio description for these specific words. These homes are often priced significantly lower than move-in ready houses, allowing you to build massive equity through professional technical renovations. And that's pretty much it. To find cheap houses on Zillow in 2026 using the hidden deals method, start by filtering for sale by owner to avoid agent-driven competition. Set your days on Zillow to 90+ to find stale listings, and use specific keywords like as is or handyman special to identify distressed properties. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.